Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the JR Products Propane Hose. Like most of your propane hoses out there, this is designed to allow your LP gas to flow through so you can power up those propane-powered appliances. Now when you're looking for a propane hose, there are a few things that you want to focus in on to make sure that it's going to work for your setup. First thing is going to be the length. Obviously, you want it to be able to reach between point A and point B so that you can connect it and make sure that LP gas is going to flow through without any problems. This is a 6-foot long rubber hose, so as long as your point A and point B are less than 6 feet away, you should be fine there. The rubber construction is going to help this hose to resist any kinks or cracking, anything like that, so it should hold up well for you. The hose has an internal diameter of 1/4 inch, which is pretty standard for most of these hoses. That's going to be plenty of room for your LP gas to flow through, and you can still power up a lot of your appliances, probably all of them that you have in your RV or motorhome, all at the same time with that flow rate. So the next thing that you want to focus in on are your fittings. There are lots of different kinds of fittings for your propane hoses. Here we've got two different kinds. This one here is a 3/8 inch female NPT end, and the NPT is referring to the threading on the inside. The 3/8 obviously the diameter of our fitting here. So this is going to mount onto a male end that's also 3/8 and NPT threaded. Our other end is a 3/8 inch female swivel SAE fitting. The swivel just means that it's going to twist like that, so we're not going to have to crank on the hose to get it tightened into place. We can simply just turn this and it will work for us. The SAE is again referring to the threads. 3/8 is the diameter. But there are several different kinds of SAE fittings. So this you can see on the inside there as it kind of tapers down towards the hole in the middle. That is what we call a flare. So this is a flared SAE fitting. So you want to make sure that you need a female flared SAE. That little flare inside there is where your male end will butt up against as you tighten this down. It's going to create that nice tight seal so you don't have to worry about any sort of gas leaks or anything like that. This hose is UL as well as CSA approved, so it's going to meet those high quality standards. You can trust that it's going to do a good job, going to do what you need it to do. Now if this isn't the hose that you need, maybe you need different fittings or different length, I'd encourage you to come check out our other options here at etrailer.com. We've got lots of different propane hoses with different fittings, different lengths. We want to make sure that you get the product that you need so you can solve your problem and get back to enjoying your time outdoors. That's going to complete our look at the JR Products Propane Hose.